Haha! In this video I'll show you how to cancel Netflix subscription on Roku. Step 1. Go to the Netflix website. Open a browser and visit netflix.com. Log in with your account credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Click your profile icon and select account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Cancel membership. Under membership and billing, click cancel membership. Follow prompts to confirm cancellation. Step 4. Confirmation and access. You will receive a confirmation email. You can continue streaming through the end of your billing period. Step 5. Roku subscription note. Netflix subscriptions are typically not billed through Roku, so no cancellation is needed via Roku. If you think billing goes through Roku, you can check the manage subscriptions at my.roku.com and cancel there if Netflix is in the list of subscriptions. Tips and notes for you: removing the Netflix app from your Roku device does not cancel your Netflix subscription, so keep that in mind. Always verify billing source to avoid unexpected charges. And contact Netflix or Roku support if you have any billing issues. And that's how you cancel your Netflix subscription through Roku. If you found this video helpful, subscribe.